Software stocks are getting absolutely hammered. Palantir is no exception, down 8.23% on the day. It comes on news that Michael Burry warns about the rising threat of Anthropic coming, and all the stocks, Microsoft, Adobe, CRM, they're all getting absolutely battered. But with that comes high volatility and an opportunity for us to make some money. So when I look at Palantir being down 8% on the day, it's very liquid in terms of from the options market. So I'm looking at the monthly cycle of May 15th, which is, I think it's during earnings from memory. I can't remember. I'm just going to check that when earnings actually is. So earnings is on May 4th, right? So we've got the May 15th expiration. So the goal here is to close out at 50%. And if we're not at 50% the day before earnings, which is May 3rd or May 4th, I think it's after market close, I think, is to roll this out into the June cycle. That's the goal of what I'm looking at to do here. So when I look at this, I always like to look at the delta, and I like the 15 delta here at 105, right, which is outside of the expected move. And that gives us 263. 263 is not that bad at all for Palantir at 36 days out. So the goal here is to sell this, pick up 263 in premium. My break even is going to be just above 102. And what I'm looking to do is close out at 50%, or as we get closer to earnings, look to either roll this out into the June cycle, because I think we'll get a bid up in volatility, so we can use that volatility to roll down and out and hopefully into the 90s, 95s going into the June cycle. But hopefully this works out. If we get a bit of a retracement with the increase in volatility, and obviously with an 8% down move, I think here we can probably get out of this position. It could continue to tank, but part of me really thinks that this is just overstated fear in the market of some macro opportunities. So let's just sell some premium. So let's see where we get filled. Instant fill at 263. I probably could have got a bit more, but you can see that here from the 1 month view of this option price. This option price has absolutely skyrocketed pretty much at the highs of the last month. So really good place to be. I think, like I said, we'd like to sell put premium into a down market with increased volatility. So again, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you guys want to know how this trade plays out, make sure you stay tuned for the next upcoming videos.